Hi there. As promised, I wanted to explain the rescheduling credit group classes that we offer. It's a nice little extra for when you have to cancel a lesson or a class in advance for any particular reason. Doesn't really matter. Just give us more than 24 hours notice and cancel yourself online for that class or lesson. Then you will see the rescheduling credit group class show up, and at any time you can click use and see what is available at that particular time. It only shows you so many weeks into the future, so if you don't see something you like, you can always come back in a few weeks and see what's posted next. It's just a limitation of the particular application. But for now, for example, you will see that we have drum medleys that you can pop into. You've got a guitar class, a keynotes. Rescheduling is particular to keynote students. So any of these besides the keynotes you can pop into, no matter what instrument you're in. Keynotes is specifically for the keynotes kids to pop into another keynotes class. But ukulele, piano, drum, guitar, and sometimes we have voice on here or special drumming workshop. Those are all available for you to hop in and experience something new. So you would just click the starting soon button, and then it'll give you the dates available. You would choose one, and it tells you whether it's full or not. It won't let you pop in if it's full. And then you click book down below, and that rescheduling credit would go away, but you would see the class on your schedule. So hope you enjoy.